Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to make money on Temu for free. So we're going to use a social media platform, which is the Facebook. So actually, we can use other social media platforms as well. But for this video, we'll be focusing on using Facebook. Okay, so first thing that we should do is to open any of our web browser, and then we have to sign up for a Temu account. Okay, so you just have to log in over here or sign up for an account. So if you already have your Temu account, then you just have to log in. So once done, all you have to do here now is you just have to scroll down all the way to the bottom. Okay, and then look for the option where it says affiliate and influencer earn commission. So if you find this, you just have to click on this one and then another tab will open and you'd be redirected to this affiliate dashboard. So if you don't have an affiliate account yet, so of course you have to fill out the form, and then after that you'd be redirected to this page. Okay, so as you can see, my affiliate current available cash is 100 peso, and then we'll be able to see here as well our pending cash and then the withdrawn cash, and we also have the history section. Okay, so now to earn a commission, we have to take note that we can earn commission from referrals in 15 countries. So just have to check here the 15 countries. You just have to click on this option. Okay, so as you can see, the Philippines is here. Okay, so let me just close this one. And then right here, you can earn by, referring this to the users with your affiliate link or code. Okay, so for new app users, first download, reinstalled users, uninstalled over 14 days. And then we also have the 30% commission and the 90 peso download reward as well. Okay, and then for the 3% commission per order of your referral within the app. So you can also share this one to earn. And then right here for the 50,000 referral raise. Okay, so if you would like to, share this one, you can earn actually. So this is 50,000 peso referral raise. So right here, your referrals benefits. So first one is a 5,000 peso coupon bundle, 30% off, the free gifts, and then the exclusive deal. Okay, so later on, we are going to use this code to earn money for free. So right here, I have my Facebook account. So we are going to create a Facebook page first. So if you don't have a Facebook page, so you just have to create one. So since I already created my Facebook page, so I'm just going to switch my account. Okay, so I'm just going to click on my profile right here at the top right and then switch to my Facebook page. So once you're here, I'm just going to leave this tab for now. And then let's go back to Temu and look for the product that we are going to use to promote our link as well as the codes. Okay, so just have to, look for the product that you think your customers would like to buy or your followers on Facebook would like to buy. So say for example, white shoes will do. So let me just look for a white shoes. So I think this one is better. So you also have to consider the price of the product that you are going to promote. And right here, you'll be able to see here the images and the videos of the product. So we just have to save the relevant images of this product because we are going to use this later on to promote this product on our Facebook page. So maybe I am going to download the 3 images. Okay, so if you would like to include the video, then you can download that as well and then upload it in your Facebook page later on. So let me just download 3 images for this product. So I think this is the last one. Just make sure to save the images to your folder so you can locate it immediately later on. Okay, so let us now go back to Facebook, and then we have to take note all of the details of this product, including the price, okay? So let me just open my Facebook page first. And also, if you would like to include the reviews of this product, so you just have to take a screenshot and include it in your Facebook post. So right here in your Facebook page, you just have to click on the What's on Your Mind section and then click on the image icon. And then you just have to add here the photos or videos that you want to include to your post. Okay, so let me just look for the images. So here are the images. You just have to click on save. And then after that, we are going to add now our captions. So first is we have to type out. Of course, we have to tell them first, in order to get this product, they have to download the Temu application first. So we are going to put here the link using our affiliate link. So when someone downloaded the Temu application using our affiliate link, then of course we are going to get our commission. So to share our link here, you just have to click on this option and then copy your link. Okay, so just click on copy link and then go back to your Facebook post. Then you just have to paste it here. Okay, and then next is we have to type out right here. You can use this code to get a 30% discount. Okay, so of course we have to copy and paste here the code for the 30% discount. So let's go back here. So here is the code. Okay, so just have to click on copy to make sure that the code is correct. You just have to paste here. And then the next one is for the free gifts. Okay, and then just have to type it right here. Use these free gifts. Okay, so I just have to copy and paste here the code as well. Or, you can also paste here the link if you want to. So you just have to type out, use this link to get your free gifts. Okay, so let me just copy the code since I'm using the code. Okay, so let me just paste it here as well. Okay, and then after that, so right here, let me just go back at the top and review everything. So once everything is ready, okay, so you have to paste here the link of the product. So let's go back here in the product and then just have to copy the link. Okay, so just click on copy. So if you don't want to copy the longer link for this product, is you can use different online tool to shorten the length of this product. Okay, so but for this video, I'm just going to paste it here. So just type out buy here and then you just have to post it. So after that, we're going to review our products. So right here we have the link of the application, so using our affiliate link. So they have to download the app first in order for them to get the product. And then right here, when they click on buy here, okay, so they'd be redirected to that product. And when they purchase that product, and then they're going to use our code for the 30% discount and for the free gifts, then we are going to get our commission. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.